Compare parts with solid. In CADbro 2019, you can compare parts with solid. After comparison, you can generate a report and a result. The different regions are colored to understand the differences between these two parts more easily. In Compare Parts command, select both Base Model and Compared Model. Then the preview will be shown up below. Click the Calculate button and get the comparison result. In Manager, you can control the same, added and remove material to show or hide. Of course, you can change the transparency or color individually. After the definition, you can output the comparison result as a report. It also allows you to save the comparison result as other formats for the next process. Now, open the resulting file. All the different regions are saved as different solids. Here's another complicated example. Now you can use Compare Parts function to quickly find the differences in similar models.